Hey everybody, today we are learn on how to turn off iPhone keyboard click sounds. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Scroll down a bit and you will find Sounds and Haptics. Tap on it to access the sound settings for your device. In the Sounds and Haptics menu, look for Keyboard Feedback and click on it. Toggle the sound switch to turn it off. And you're done. There you go, a simple way to turn off the keyboard click sounds on your iPhone. I hope this helped you out on your current and future projects.